Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Mao. Are you ready for your surgery?
I'm very ready.
Are you excited or scared? Scared or?
I'm scared.
Huh?
I'm excited.
You're excited?
This will mean the VA can give an MRI and maybe tell me what's wrong.
That's good. So we are here early in the morning. It's 6 o'clock already. 6 o'clock, 6:06 in the morning. Gutom na ko. No coffee, nothing. Only water. At dito lang ako maghintay sa labas. Gusto ko dito kay makakuan ko Facebook. Thanks for watching.